Sometimes when you edit or play a video on your computer or TV, you may encounter an unsupported video format error. It's quite annoying, but it can be fixed easily. In today's video, I will show you how to deal with the issue and convert your video format to whoever you want. After comparing all kinds of video format converter tools on the internet, I strongly recommend to use this handy video format converter to convert video to a supported format for easy playback on TV or PC. The free download link is put on the description. Download and launch it. So once we have installed the software on the desktop, this is the Windows version. There's also a Mac OS version. In the convert mode, we want to import these MKV files to the converter. The converter supports batch processing, so we are able to import as many videos as we like and change their format altogether. The built-in player allows us to preview the video. And these parameter displays the basic information of each video. Then what we want to do is to select the output format. Here are a great amount of media formats, not only for videos but also for audios. Here are different devices and different social video types, which contains almost all kinds of media formats we can use. So whether we can convert videos to any other formats. Of course, assign format for each video can also be done. In the end, click Convert All. The completed video will be listed in the converted area. All MKV files have now become MP4 files. The converter also has many other cool functions for video creators. If you guys are interested in it, check out the link in the description to free download and explore it yourself. We hope you find this video useful, and if it does, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more contents like this. Any other methods and suggestions are welcome in the comment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time.